Yo, this guy right here, I've been seeing this guy here for years. Bro, this is my dude. Look at that guy. Yo, he does this every single time. You know what I'm saying? Up and down the road. He'd be at different bus stops, but he just chills here all day long and either be jamming out, be like doing some type of like karate exercises or whatever, man. But this is my dude right here, man. Everybody on this road knows this dude. He ain't even pointing to nobody. He's just that's my guy. You can't get no cooler than that, man. That dude got no worries in the world, no cares in the world. That boy just living out his life, man. Hanging out here every day. What is going on, yo, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy FaTkaT, of course, bringing you another one, man. And today we got a special treat, man. You guys can see back there, we got my guy Will with his slingshot, man. Customized slingshot. We've done a lot of stuff to it, man. You guys see Gianni there too, man. My road dog, always with me, my right hand man, with me doing all this car stuff and car reviews and everything else. So he comes out with me to help me to do these so that I can, you know, get rolling shots and everything else while I'm driving, man. But anyway, with that being said, let's go ahead and check out this slingshot, man. See everything he's got done to it. Let's go. All right, man, so we got my man Will, right? Yeah. We got my man Will here. Somebody beeping at us. Anyway, so we here with his slingshot, man. So let's talk everything about this. First of all, what year is this?
2019.
2019, so damn, basically brand new.
Yeah, I bought it December 31st.
Okay.
It had 1 mile on it.
Damn.
I just hit 1,000 miles.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I would imagine you probably can't drive it as much because of the rain and everything else, whatever, well, you know, or depending on the weather, right?
Quarantine too. Like,
oh, in the quarantine, right?
We shut down for 2 months, so it just sat in the garage.
I got you, man. So yeah, so this is 2019, just hit 1,000 miles, man. Let's go around and talk about what all you got done to it, man. So the original paint is white?
Yeah, when I bought it, it was just the white with the black, no top. So I added every feature on here. So all the color and everything that's on here, I did myself. I made this, it goes to a Honda, and and I did the measurements and it fits, so it came out perfect.
So this is for a Honda?
Yeah, this is for a Honda.
Ah, okay.
And, all the colors and a different accent with the wheels.
So is this like is this paint?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I painted it myself. I added this. I actually got these by accident because I actually thought these were center caps.
Okay.
And since I paid like 30 bucks for them, I'm thinking they like the center caps that go right here that sticks out.
Yeah, right.
But I got them and they end up being that, so I was like, you know what? I got to do something with them.
Yeah,
so I
works.
Made it work. And then I added, all the color on the side. I put the lights on. This here, I mean the speakers, obviously I did all those, but this was black. I painted this green, and I added the Bluetooth system to it with my iPad. Oh, okay. So, saving some space, because I mean obviously it's small and you really don't have too much space in here, so I ride my gun all the time, so I had it, had it backed up. So the Bluetooth system with the amp is actually built behind it.
Okay.
I put it back there. And then it also have 2 compartments. My fault. So got one on each side. Keep my cleaning gear, and also I keep a helmet as well because this Florida.
Right.
So the love bugs, man. You driving, like a couple weeks ago, we went down to what is it? Sebring or something like that. Drove down there, man. There was rocks and bugs, and without the helmet, man.
Yeah, because obviously you guys just say it doesn't actually have a windshield. It has this down here, but that doesn't protect your face.
Yeah, this add-on too. So it doesn't. It doesn't come with it. It comes basic, And then they have, it's different models. This is just a base model. I didn't want to buy the SL and all that stuff because it it comes with like the custom seats and the top. I like to do stuff on my own.
Right.
I take the base model and then just build from there.
Okay.
You know? And then I added on the wing.
Well, and before we go any further, let's not get it confused. He is a veteran as well, man. So
Yes.
much salute.
Retired
Much salute to that. I ain't gonna hold it against you, Marine.
And,
So yeah, man.
like the top, this top is $3 grand.
Woo.
And I had to have something.
And you know, I must say, not to cut you off, man, but I must say I like it a lot better with the tops than without. I see, you know, a lot of people don't add them.
Yeah.
And the tops, man, it just looks way better with the top on it.
Some people like them, some people don't.
Well, I like it with the top on it better.
Man, I changed out the shifter. So the shifter's changed out the steering wheel.
So do these all come manual? Or can you get
from 2019 down? The new 2020, they have an option to where it's stick shift, and it's another one that's like it's like an automatic, but they call it something else.
Like the Steptronic,
something like that, but it just goes on its own.
Right.
My whole thing is when you buy one of these, it takes the fun out of it.
Right.
You know, that's the reason why I bought it because it's stick shift.
Right.
You know, it's a big toy.
How many horsepower do these come with?
It comes with, don't quote me, it's either 173 or 176 horsepower.
Okay, but can you do a lot of modifications like the motor and get them a little bit faster and all that?
Because this is actually a GM motor.
Oh, this is actually dope.
So it's actually a Cobalt engine.
Oh, okay.
So it comes with the Cobalt engine. Some people, like a buddy of mine, he has a supercharger engine. You know, me personally, I wouldn't do it because it's already a light vehicle.
Right.
It's fast enough. It gets up to 160. So
right.
I mean, I'm never going to hit 160. You know, fastest I went, it was 90 something. You know, but I would never get up there for it.
And these and this is all power to the rear wheel. Wow.
Yep.
Man. Yeah, this thing is nasty, man. I like this.
Yeah, like this is all add-on. The intake, right? Yeah, and I'll change back there. Change that now as well.
Yeah, this thing is dope. You mind me asking how much these things run?
The 2000. I mean, you can find like the older models for like 16, 17 grand, something like that. But they started making them in 2015. This one here, just base was 23. It's 23. So with the add-ons and all that, it can get up in price. So what? Like I said, like they have better models, but with the models, it might come with like a different top. It's all the same engine,
right?
All the same body style. It's just, you know, you might have better seats, you know, stitching or something like that,
right?
And that might get up to like 30,000.
Woo!
You know, and my whole thing is 30,000 for better seats. You know, I'm cool.
Yeah, I feel you on that. But yeah, man, but this thing is dope. So it all depends on how you spec it out and everything else or whatever.
It's all, you know, within your budget.
And all the options and all that. But you can pick one of these up for right around 15, 16, you're saying. If it's like base.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but the new ones, I mean, the new ones that they just came out with the 2020, like the front end is not different, but it's like the lights. The lights are different.
Right.
And those are starting off at, I believe, 27, 28.
Damn.
So they start off at a price.
But yeah, man, so as you guys can see, we walked around it real quick, kind of give you guys a quick little rundown. Man said he's gonna let me go ahead and, you know, whip it around the block real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and get in, whip it around. It is a stick shift manual, as you guys know, and you guys know I know how to drive manual, so we're gonna get in it and whip it around real quick, man. So let's go.
Yep. Oh. Oh. Seatbelt. They have seatbelts on this side, so they come around, so they're on both sides.
Here I go, man. First time in a Polaris slingshot. Got me.
Wow, that was blocked.
Man, that way blocked. They got me. First time I've ever driven one, man. This thing is actually pretty dope, man. Yeah. I don't know, it feels weird because, you know, I used to ride motorcycles, right?
Yeah.
And it feels weird because it's like, it's that motorcycle feel because you're out in the open.
Yeah.
But then it's like, it was almost like a perfect combination.
Yeah.
Like between a car and motorcycle. You ever rid a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to ride bike.
So you used to ride, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's like that perfect combination of a car with the motorcycle.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I would say this though, but maybe it's because I'm not used to it, and it's kind of a weird thing where I kind of feel a little bit more secure on a bike. I don't know why.
That's how I felt when I first bought it.
But I think it's because I'm just not used to it.
Yeah.
Because I think with the bike you got more maneuver, like you can maneuver a little bit better.
Yeah.
Like a little bit faster.
Yeah.
But again, it's just probably just my first
You know,
time.
this is actually considered a motorcycle.
Is it? So you got to have a motorcycle license for this?
No, not the license, but the tag.
Okay.
No, in some states you have to have the motorcycle license, like California, Washington, stuff like that.
So yeah, man. So this thing is actually pretty dope, man. I like it that you could. Is that factory? You got to remove that?
No, it's not factory. I had to take the factory steering wheel off.
So that's a different steering wheel. That's an aftermarket steering wheel, which I would probably have to do that too because you know I'm a big guy. So if I were to buy one of these, like that helps a lot, where you can detach the steering wheel and get in because you know it's not. I wouldn't say it's a tight fit, but to get in because you got all this right here and all that. Yeah. You know, just to get in. Once you're in, you're in. You're good.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, this thing is super dope, man. I appreciate you for letting me review this and check it out for a quick spin. I even got there was some guy over here that said, "Hey man, your car is cool." I was like, "I'm just reviewing it." He was like, "Oh man." So, but yeah, so it's a dope thing. That's a dope machine. I've never driven one before. Again, like I said, I might have to get one of these, man. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I can see what you're saying though. Like I would probably want to be 160, 180.
No, because once that wind gets it, I mean, it'll feel like it's moving, but it's not. You know, but like I know guys who got bigger rims and they said the ride is different. I'm gonna upgrade the wheels, maybe in like a month. I don't know. Right. It just depends. But those guys I know that I ride with, they got like 22s. One couple cats got 24s. And my other buddy, he extended his, so it's a 4-seater. So yeah.
But I could definitely see in this configuration where, you know, you wouldn't want to be up on the highway at 160, 150, 160 with this thing.
The fastest I've been on the highway is about 82.
And I bet you that was like, woo!
Oh yeah, and that's coming from Western Chapel.
And especially because you got other cars around you, so you still feel a little bit exposed.
Yeah. You
know what I'm saying? And you're sitting. That's what it is. Like on versus a bike with this is that with this you're sitting lower.
Yeah.
So on the bike, even though you know, so a lot of us stretch out our bikes or lower them, you're still sitting
high. Yeah.
Right. You're still sitting on it.
And like you said, you got more control.
Right.
You know, with this right here, man. I mean,
with quicker reactions, you can get quicker reactions, maneuver a little bit better. But still, man, this thing is super dope. Like I said, we just went around the block real quick. We went up the street, came in, did a U-turn. I was like, As soon as he got in, he was like, this thing is cool, man.
Yeah.
He was like, this thing is cool.
Yeah.
So again, I appreciate you, man. It's super dope. Yeah, it rides just like a regular manual, man. Nothing different.
Nope.
So if you know how to drive a manual, you'll be able to drive this, no problem.
Just 5 speed.
I like is that camera back there, that camera for your rear view, is that factory?
No, I added that.
Too.
Yeah, I added this right here.
Man.
I have it running because all the time,
Right.
because changing lanes you can't really see
Right.
over this.
Right.
So I use it, as a,
So this doesn't come with any rear view option?
No. I mean, they have one that's made for it, but it's like $300. I paid $30 for this camera, ran the wires myself.
But can you get one from the factory with it?
No, not with factory. It's like a Sling mod or something like that.
I mean, you get your side view mirrors as you see there, but that comes with it, right? Side view.
Yeah, that could have comes with
So you get the side view mirrors, but that rear view camera is dope. I like that because you can still see what's going on behind you. So anyway, man. All right, man, we're getting ready to get out of here because it's getting ready to rain, man. Again, I want to appreciate my dude Will, man. He lives in the area. Obviously, we met up a couple times ago on different rides. Y'all seen him. Matter of fact, y'all gonna see in the next video what the car he has, the Charger he has, part of that Charger gang.
Yeah, sure.
You know what I'm saying? That he does a lot of modifications to his Charger as well. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. But yeah, man. But I mean, he lives literally right down the street from me, man. So we was like, hey, man, let's get together, show off some of your rides on the channel and everything else, man. He agreed to it. Look at that. I'm telling you, man, like this thing gets a lot of attention, man.
Yeah.
This thing's got a lot of attention.
Yeah.
So anyway, other than that, man, let me let him go. He's getting ready to rain. Wait for the next video because we're gonna check out his Charger. You know what I'm saying? All the stuff he's done to that. And then we're gonna go from there, man. So again, appreciate you, man.
No problem, bro.
Yep. Anyway, man, stay safe, stay positive and all that good stuff, man. Make sure y'all stay true to yourself, stay genuine and all that good stuff, man. Anything else will be uncivilized. You know I'm your boy FaTkaT. We'll see you on the next one, man.